In the last chapter, we got introduced to the topic Sanatana Dharma. Now, in this, the second chapter, we will talk generally about Veda. We have seen that Dharma is the aggregate of values that holds us together as if in a string, and which we have to observe in our lives. What is the basis of this Dharma? Manu says in his Smriti 2:6, Vedokhilo dharma moolam smridishile cha tadvidam Acaraschaiva sadhunam atmanastushtireva cha. Manu, the famous writer on Dharma, says the root of Dharma is the complete Veda. It is the Smriti, that is what is remembered and written by the knowers of Veda, their habits, and the practices of sadhus, and what is the happiness of oneself. The first is that the root of Dharma is the complete Veda. Root means place of origin. Thus, Veda is the place of origin of Dharma. Secondly, he says, it is the Smriti and habits of the knowers of Veda. That is, from the study of Veda, they had generated a samskara or imprints, and from that samskara, they wrote smritis, and they cultivated certain habits based on that. That is the root of Dharma. Thirdly, it is the practices observed by sadhus. Sadhu means a noble one, the one who observes his own dharma, like the dharma of a brahmachari is to study, and when he does that, he is a sadhu. A grihastha or householder has to observe certain practices. When he does that, he is a grihastha. And for a vanaprastha, there are certain things laid down like upasana. And for a sannyasi, he has to observe the dharma of sannyasa. When these people do that, they are sadhus. The practices of such good people are spoken of as the root of Dharma. The fourth aspect is one's own happiness. Here, a point is worth noting. The concept of one's own happiness is introduced after introducing the other three aspects. If a person gets happiness out of drinking alcohol, can we say it is dharma? Never, because it has to agree with the other three bases. Then only we can say that it is dharma. What a person considers as giving him happiness should have the approval of Veda. Veda is the ultimate foundation of dharma. Moreover, it should be according to the habits and smriti of the knowers of Veda. It has as well to be according to the practices of sadhus. Then only we can say it is dharma. Speaking of the smriti and habits of the knowers of Veda, it again has to be according to Veda. Then only it is dharma. Any of the things which is described in the later three aspects, if it is in opposition with the basis of Veda, then we have to reject that and accept what agrees with Veda as dharma.